I could not help myself, and I really want to start with this A3 size paper I just got, and I really love it and I really want to start with it. And I am going to use this new that I got a few days ago, these envelopes with these matching 12 by 12 papers, and I think this match perfectly. So yeah, I'm really in the mood for making something that, let's see how it goes. That's how I work. Well, I have something in mind, especially for the envelopes, but I really want to check out first the paper. So this is the A3 size, and where it comes from, it's coming from the UK. www.crafterscompanion.co.uk. So this is from the United Kingdom, and there are 24 sheets, 4 double-sided designs, 6 of each. Cool. And they were really not that much. I believe $12.95, but I really love this. And it's really thick paper. So you got 6 of these. So these and this stem at the back. And I really am curious how this will work with the A3 size. And then this will be, I believe, 30, yeah, almost. So this is the same as an A4. Yes, it is. Oh, okay, good to know. Perfect. Really cool. So these are the first design. Then we get to this really cool and easy going light pink, and on the back, ooh, oh my gosh, cool, really dots at the top, lines on here, even a lace side on here. Oh my gosh, this really do let me think on Prima Marketing, and you know I love Prima Marketing. Okay, so this is the second one. Oh my gosh, this keeps going. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Ooh, cool. I love dots. Really, this is really perfect matching with these papers. Cool, 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 cool. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to start with it. My mind is going everywhere. Really cool. Then we get this really easy going light beige with just a little tiny writing on. And oh my gosh, again, they're so cute. Oh, this is the final. Yeah, this is the final. These are really awesome. Really cool. So yeah. So what we have, let's say 3 of these and 1 of these. Then 3 of these and the dots, the pink dots. And then we have this one. This lovely background, and then the last one is this with this on the background. Isn't this amazing? Can you see this? Okay, then we go with this with no black. No, we are going to use this. How fancy this will go looking. I really hope it will look amazing. Alrighty, so normally I will leave it like this and put it behind my desk. Let's make some place, because I really love to see everything in one sec, so I don't have to switch all the papers around, especially when they are this big. So yeah, let's see what we are going to do with this. I'm really going to get a feeling of a really shabby looking romance vintage. Oh my gosh, yes. So excited! Stay tuned. Hello everybody, my name is scrapqueen. Welcome back to my channel, and I would like to show you my latest project, and it's huge. It's really gigantic. And I went to a fair last week and I bought there my very first A3 size double-sided card pack, and it's from www.crafterscompanion.co.uk, and this one called the Pinks and Peaches, and there are 24 sheets double-sided. And I really adore these papers. It's really thick paper, so you have to imagine that I can't do any big activity in, and I don't want to in this project. I especially created this project to do for a lot of photos in, and I really enjoy the papers. They are really fantastic papers, and well, let's dig in. I really hope you enjoyed it. So anyway, the size of this album is 7 by 11 inches, and it's 18 by 29 almost, so it's really big. But if you don't have an A3 pack, then you can make it, of course, with 12 by 12 paper. You can do that with any pack you have. Anyway, so this is the front, and it's really big and it's enormous. But anyway, I would like to show you the, oh my gosh, my table is really too short. I can't show you like this. This is the closest I can. So I put some little decoration flowers on top of this, and then I leave the word Vince and Spiritual. It's French, I think. I can't speak it out. Anyway, I will leave the word on top, so I did not go any further with the decoration. And I really think I love the end results of it. The side I use Prima Marketing paper, and I will explain it in my tutorial, and so you can see what kind of material this is, and I really like it. It's a faux leather, but it's still paper, so I think it's a kind of a book binder's linen, so as I call it here in my country, and I really like it, and it's from Prima Marketing. So okay, and I hope you can get it everywhere, but I really did not search for it because I get it from somebody. So okay, so this is the back, and it's really simple, but gosh, I love these papers. It's really vintage and it's really romantic style. But okay, so let's get in. Alrighty, now I hope I can manage to put this a little away. Yeah, I think I am in frame right now. Yep, I am. Alrighty, so as you can see, it's enormous, but it still lays flat. So please follow my tutorial if you like to do the same thing. So at the first thing I want to show you is this enormous pocket. It's really huge, and when you open it up with this flap, and I'm going to go up so you can see there is a big pocket, and it's a see-through, so everything you put in here you will find it real quick back, and so it's really enormous. Okay, and I really like that. So if you want to use this for your photos, you don't have to put every time your photos away and then work in it. So you can put a lot of photos in here, and you don't have to use it as a photo album. You also can use it as a diary or everything, but it's enormous. It's really big. So imagine that's got a lot of place. Okay, let's get into, well, each page I use 2 envelopes. So this one flips, but inside I made a booklet, and I did not put anything on it because it's meant to be put photos on, so that's why I leave it plain. And this goes back in, and here I made another pocket, another see-through pocket, and put nothing in yet, but you can see that there is, oh my gosh, I put everything away, but you can see that this is a see-through and you can put stuff in here. Love these closures, really cool. And then here also a booklet. I will not pull everything out because every brown thing you see, they are booklets or big tags. But anyway, let's flip this open. Not opened. Let's flip this to the left, and on here I created just a little pocket and some crystal decoration, and just leaving a nice tag. This one I leave it plain. This side also leave it plain for photos or write on. And in each big page I made a large tag, so you can put loads of photos on or write on or anything else. But I did not put any papers on because it's already really heavy and thick. And if you want going to put photos on, then it will be more heavier. So the next thing is just a big pocket with a big tag and a little seam binding at the top, and that's it. And then on this piece also just the paper. So this thing that goes 6 times. So we have, and the reason is well, you can flip it. It's no opening much or little, but oh my gosh, I'm still babbling way too much. The next thing I made is a little book. Now a little photo mat, but I put something in it already. You can pull it out, so you can put your photo back in here, of course, but this paper is really heavy. So, but anyway, you can pull this out and put your photo in. Then in here I made a little booklet. You can put your photo in. Then again 2 tags in here, of course, and on the back here I did a little cut out, so this you can pull out and put back in. This is just plain for photos. Again, a big tag in here. Then a big pocket. This can open, and so you can leave your photos in here, or you can write on whatever you like. Really had fun making this project. God, I love these papers. Really awesome. Keep it plain for photos or writables, and this same thing. And here I made 2 simple pockets with the same crystal embellishment. Here I made a little cutout with a nice tag in. Again, a big tag. Oh, and this big pocket, same as the other ones. So loads of place. In here I made a little belly band with a stopper at the bottom, and here I made a little notebook. And this, yeah, this is just for fun. It's a mini notebook. Had some fun doing it. Okay, so yeah, again a booklet 2, and then on the back also a cutout with a nice tag in for writables or photo. Keep it plain. Again, a big tag, a big pocket, and that go it on. I really love the papers. Here, just a simple pocket, and this goes on and on. Again, a pocket. And keep it plain, a big tag, and a pocket. So you can see this is really enough place for tons and tons of photos and whatever you want in it to do with it. But I made it specially for loads of photos to put in. that was the intention. Keep it clean, and especially I want this to be flippable. And on the back, this is also a big pocket, and this is a pocket where you can put your things in if you want. Okay, so what do you think? Do we have enough place in here? I think we do. And I really love making this. So it's really flippable. It's really a flippable album, as you can see. There is no magnet that holds the pages. No, it's really just a flippable album, and I really like that. So if you put your photos in, there is just a flip through album, and that gives you loads and loads of places to put your things in. So yeah, I really like it, and a lot of storage place in it, and yeah, I just love it. And on each tag I created just a little, I really don't know how you call this, but some nice words on it. But you can replace it, of course, with your own words. But I made just a few words: hope, note, so cute, dream, family, remember, friends, memories, creative, inspiration, happiness. Just nice quotes. So that will assume for your photo ability to put in. Alright, I think I mentioned it all, guys. I really go quick today. But yeah, this was it. I hope you like it, and perhaps you want to see the size of the side of it. Well, I did not make a closure because the album is really big, so it does not need to. So yeah. Alrighty, I hope you like it, so give me a thumbs up if you like, I will really appreciate that. Every Monday, Wednesday and Friday I upload a new video, so please take a very good look at my YouTube channel. If you want to follow, then please subscribe to my channel. And there is a tutorial. Yes, I made a tutorial for you guys. If you like to follow, then stay tuned and wait for the next day to come up with a new tutorial, and enjoy joining me with this quick, with this big adventure, with this big size album. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, till next time.